Hi students, let's try to understand the nomenclature of organic compound. Today we are going to understand this. Okay, so when you talk about the nomenclature, student, there are two systems are there to write the name of the organic compound. The old system, that is what is known as trivial system. Okay, also known as trivial system. So trivial system you can say, or that is common system, and second one is IUPAC system. Okay, now students, if you see trivial or the trivial system, that is what in the early stage of the development of organic chemistry, organic compound were named after the source. What is that is source which they were first isolated. So from where, which country this is obtained, which place that is obtained, that is the first one. For example, urea got its name since the compound is first obtained from the urine of the mammals. Similarly, methyl alcohol was called the wood spirit since it would be it could be obtained for the destructive distillation of the wood. Acetic acid got its name from the acetum. Latin word acetum means vinegar. Since it is present in the vinegar, similarly the name of formic acid was derived from the formicus. Latin word is the formicus means that is ants. Red ants. Since it could be obtained by the destructive distillation of radon. Likewise, citric acid is named because it is found in the citrus fruit. These names of the organic compound are called the trivial, okay, or the trivial name or the common name. Okay, so this is what is meaning of the common name, student. Common name or the trivial name. It means that is the name which is given, that is from the source from which it is obtained or extracted, or the from the place, okay, it is derived. Okay, so that is what the trivial noun system. Okay, let us have some name, student. Suppose we are having CH4. It's a common name is what is, student. If you are common is the methane, or that is also known as, student, Mars gas. Okay, Mars gas. Second, C2H2 acetylene, this is again common name. Okay, and here is the C4H10, that is N-butane, then isobutane, then neopentane. Okay, chloroform. Okay, CaCl3 is chloroform, then N-propyl alcohol. Okay, ethyl. Okay, methyl ether, formaldehyde. Okay, acetone, no, benjamide. These are the common name, student. Common name means that is how they are, the source from which it is derived. Like we are having that is acetic acid. Okay, acetamide, acetonitrile, benzene. Okay, toluene, phenol. Okay, anisole, acetophenone, aniline, and benzoic acid. These all are the common name, student, that you can be able to understand very easily. Okay, now you see, originally these names were given without any systematic basis, but later on certain rules were developed to name the organic compound by the common system. However, these rules have number of drawbacks and thus cannot be used to name the whole organic compounds. Okay, so that is what, because there is the drawbacks are there, so we are not using this system, student. So what system you are using? That is modern system we are using, that is IUPAC system of nomenclature, student. What the IUPAC system of nomenclature? Because of the unique property of catenation and isomerization, carbon formed large number of organic compounds. Even towards the end of 19th century, the number of organic compounds known was so large that it becomes difficult to remember them by their common or the trivial name. In order to systematize the nomenclature of organic compound, IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, system of nomenclature was first introduced in 1947. These rules underwent modification from time to time, and the most exhaustive rule for the nomenclature of organic compound were developed in 1979 and later revised and updated in 1993. The rule discussed in this chapter are the latest and based upon the 1979-1993 edition of IUPAC nomenclature of the compound. So IUPAC nomenclature means it is given by the set of the rule student by the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Okay, so when you talking about the IUPAC, dear students, so that is IUPAC is giving the, you know, anywhere, okay, see, that is same name, it will be the same name, okay, all over the world, all over the world, you know, all over the world. It is not like that student, you go in the China, you will find the Chinese name, India Indian name, or the Russian name. It's all in the same name, and that is the mention in the English alphabet. Okay, this is the common system, IPAC system of nomenclature. Well, the common system is based on the occurrence from which source it is getting extracted. So this is what is the trivial system of nomenclature, student. Thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to comment.